Republic Act 9003 Ecological Solid Waste Management, Republic Act 9275 Philippine Clean Water Act, Republic Act 8749 Philippine Clean Air Act, Republic Act 6969 Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act. Presented by Nick Paul Sagal II. Republic Act 9003 Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. Overview. Republic Act Number 9003 establishes a national framework for management solid waste in the Philippines. It focuses on sustainable disposal method and promote waste segregation, collection, and proper landfill management to minimize environmental damage. Key objectives: encourage waste minimization through recycling and composting, establish an efficient waste collection and disposal system, develop sanitary landfills and waste processing facilities. Main provision: waste reduction strategy, recycling and composting, waste treatment facilities, strict regulations. Impact: improve public health, enhance environmental protection, promote sustainability. Republic Act 9275 Philippine Clean Water Act. Overview. Republic Act Number 9275 focuses on water resource conservation and aims to reduce pollution in rivers, lakes, and other water bodies. Key objectives: maintain and improve the quality of water resources, regulate industries to prevent water contamination, promote sustainable water use and conservation efforts. Main provisions: water quality standards, pollution control measures, regulatory permits, public awareness campaign. Impact: cleaner rivers, lake and coastal areas, reduce industrial pollution through stricter enforcement, sustainable water resources management for future generations. Republic Act 8749 Philippine Clean Air Act. Overview. Republic Act Number 8749 is designed to reduce air pollution and promote clean air standards in the country. It regulates vehicular emissions, industrial pollution, and hazardous gas release to improve air quality. Key objectives: protect public health by ensuring clean air, limit emission from vehicles and factories, strengthen air quality monitoring. Main provisions: emissions limits, air quality management areas, ban on harmful fuels, anti-smoke belching programs. Impact: decrease respiratory diseases due to cleaner air, enhance environmental sustainability through stricter pollution controls, strengthen air monitoring system to detect and address pollution sources. Republic Act 6969 Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act. Overview. Republic Act Number 6969 regulates the use, storage, and disposal of hazardous materials to prevent risk to human health and the environment. Key objectives: prevent environmental pollution from hazardous chemicals, ensure proper disposal of toxic substances, regulate the import, production, and use of dangerous materials. Main provisions: chemical registration, import and export controls, safe handling and disposal, enforcement and penalties. impact. Reduce risk of toxic chemicals exposure to the public. Improve waste management through better safety protocols. Compliance with international environmental standards. That's all. Thank you.